So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about uh, field level validations, especially as far as the MuleSoft is concerned. As we all know, MuleSoft is one of an integration tool which majorly used to integrate, irrespective of technology, irrespective of the domain. Uh, MuleSoft's integrations widely be used across industries when we are working on integration of any applications, either internal or external applications, all that. In the process of understanding from the technical side, even we are working as a business analyst in the field of MuleSoft, or we may be in the technical role as a MuleSoft professional. Important for us to learn about the field level validations, because field level validation is one of the key and important uh, field level validation is one of the key and important element we need to know, because field level validation majorly it's a kind of process of ensuring the data that is provided when we are going for integration, uh, which majorly meets any kind of specific any kind of business rules or any kind of validation criterias whenever we are working on any kind of individual fields, etc. All that. When it comes to the field level validations, it majorly involves in checking all the data integrity, or is there any kind of formatting or any kind of required fields before any kind of data is uh, asked to the downstream systems or any kind of applications. The type of validations normally we are using are very crucial, which majorly required to ensure the data must be accurate, it must be consistent, compatible with the targeted systems, etc. Especially from the field level validations point of view, when we are implementing this flows to ensure the kind of data which is being transferred between a system which adheres the specific following criteria, because we must be knowing about what are the different types of validations we have in MuleSoft. So the first one about the data type validation. The first one about data type validations. The next one about required field level validation. First one about required field level validation. Next one about range or length validation. Range or length level validation. Next one about the format validation. Format validation. So these are the four validations normally we have. We have other business rule validation that I'm going to explain in the next session. The first one about the data validation, which majorly ensure us to uh, ensure the kind of data that we are using, either it can be a string or integer or a date of individual fields must expect there as values, all that. When it comes to the required field validation, which majorly ensures the essential fields are not left blank or any kind of null, preventing incompleting data from being passed along. When it comes to the range length validation, majorly ensures the numerical fields falls within a valid range or the string fields which do not exceed a certain length. Last but not least, format validations majorly ensures the value are in the correct format, such as validating the email addresses are in the correct syntax or the kind of dates followed by a specific pattern. All that. Next validation types is about the custom business validations, all that. So that custom validation followed by the error handling in what way it is related and relevant. If we are a business analyst, then what way it is related. Of course, even technical people should also know, but majorly focusing on the business analyst side. In what way the role of a business analyst is important in field level validation, and what is that, what and how we do, and how the custom business rule validations that we do, followed by error handling, that I'm going to explain in the next session.